One in four software job listings is simply gone. Postings for developers still sit 27% below their pre pandemic level, in the middle of the biggest technology boom since the internet. This is Indeed's own hiring lab, July 2026. The overall job market recovered years ago. Software development did not. That crater is 5 years deep and still open. Set February 2020 at 100. Software developer postings today, 73. So, is the software engineer going extinct? Wrong question. The work didn't vanish. It moved and it changed its name. Follow the titles and the money follows. Start with the bleeding. Tech cut more than 124,000 jobs in the first 7 months of 2026. That already beats all of last year. And for the first time, companies say the quiet part in their filings. TechCrunch keeps a running list. 21 tech companies named AI in their 2026 layoff announcements. Oracle cut 21,000 people, 13% of the company, and wrote AI into the securities filing itself. Block cut 4,000, roughly 40% of the whole staff. Amazon dropped 30,000 corporate roles in 4 months. Officially, culture and bureaucracy. But the CEO's memo a year earlier had already promised fewer people as the AI efficiency compounds. Meanwhile, the code itself changed hands. 25% of Google's new code was AI generated in late 2024, 50% a year later, 75% by this spring. Sundar Pichai's phrase for what engineers do now: orchestrating systems. Satya Nadella says up to 30% of Microsoft's repositories are machine written. These are the people who sign the payroll. Mark Benioff hired zero new software engineers in 2025. His reason: the existing ones got 30% faster with AI. The AWS chief says most Amazon developers already aren't writing the lines themselves. He still hired 11,000 interns. Now look at who the crater swallowed first. Not the principal engineers, the people who were supposed to become them. Stanford's payroll data tracks it in real time. Employment of 22 to 25-year-olds in AI exposed jobs, software development first among them, is shrinking almost 4% a year. Stanford keeps a live dashboard for this. They named it after the canaries miners carried underground. That is the researchers' own metaphor for young software engineers. The New York Fed's chart went viral for a reason. Recent computer science grads, 6.1% unemployed. Computer engineering, 7.5. Art history, 3. Small samples, ugly direction. The bootcamp industry read the room. 2U, the biggest operator, 96,000 graduates, wound down every coding bootcamp it ran. During school, went to bankruptcy court. And the freshman class noticed. 62% of computing programs saw enrollment fall this year. At MIT, the second biggest major on campus is now AI itself. The degree-to-desk pipeline was a promise. Nobody formally revoked it. The listings just stopped appearing. Here's where it gets strange. The government's official forecast says software jobs grow 15% this decade. The postings say crater. Both are right, and the difference is two words. The Bureau of Labor Statistics splits the field. Software developers, the people who decide what to build, projected up 15% by 2034. Computer programmers, the people who type what they're told, down 6. One occupation designs the system and answers for the outcome. The other converts specifications into syntax. Machines now quote the second job in cents. The government forecast is that sentence in bureau prose. Read the layoff list again with that lens. Every company was cutting the typing. None of them announced cuts to the deciding. So where did the work go? Into a wave of job titles that mostly did not exist 3 years ago. Indeed's data splits tech hiring clean in half. Postings that mention AI, 45% above pre-pandemic. Everything else in tech, 34% below. Even the software rebound is a different animal. Since Claude Code launched, developer postings rose 15%. 71% of that increase is senior roles. A third of it has AI in the title. Zoom all the way out, and 1 in 24 American job postings, any industry, any state, now mentions AI. A record. LinkedIn's fastest growing job in America for 2026 is AI engineer. 4 of the top 5 are AI roles. This list used to be nurses and salespeople. LinkedIn's economists count 1.3 million new AI jobs created in 2 years, plus 600,000 more building the data centers underneath them. Then there's the strangest new title, and it came from Palantir, the forward deployed engineer. An engineer who ships code from inside the customer's building next to the customer's problem. Postings for forward deployed engineers grew 800% in 9 months. 224 are open right now across 118 companies. Palantir runs 51 of them. OpenAI, 31. The job exists because most enterprise AI pilots die in the demo. Someone has to fly to Cleveland and make it real inside the customer's mess. Mid-level, that someone earns 300 to 450,000. Evil's engineer, 18 months ago an intern project, now a dedicated title at Anthropic, OpenAI, Stripe, and Shopify. The job is grading the machine's homework before the customers do. Context Engineer started as a tweet in mid 2025. By August, Cognizant announced it was hiring 1,000 of them. This is the press release. AI Product Manager, 12,000 postings this year, median pay 195,000. 2% of those postings are junior. The new ladder starts on the third floor. And the ceiling moved. This is the live salary board for OpenAI engineers, updated this week. The median, not the peak, $860,000 a year. Line them up. The ordinary American developer median, 133,000. The average AI engineer, 245. Anthropic's median engineer, 722. OpenAI's, 860. The teams shrank while the numbers grew. A quarter of Y Combinator's recent batch shipped code that was 95% machine written. 10-person companies now reach 10 million in revenue. If this feels unprecedented, it isn't. Ask the webmaster. In 1998, one person ran the server, wrote the HTML, drew the graphics, and answered the email. That job died. It became 5 careers: architect, designer, developer, growth, security. The work didn't shrink, it specialized. Software engineering is taking the same fork right now. The generalist title fragments into AI engineer, forward deployed, evals, context, agent operations. Different names for one underlying move, humans sitting above the machine's output, accountable for it. And the pay follows altitude. AI skills at 6% at entry level, 12 for engineers, 14 for seniors, 19 at staff. The higher you sit above the machine, the more its output pays you. So the software engineer survives this. The entry ramp doesn't, not in its old shape. The typing tier got repriced to cents, and the tiers above it got rarer, harder, and much better paid. Which leaves one honest instruction. Stop training for the job the machine already took. Collect the skills the new titles are made of. Evaluation, context, orchestration, and owning an outcome in production with your name on it. The job title on your resume was always a rental. The work underneath it is yours. Renew accordingly.